Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and I know exactly what you're thinking. Does this TENS unit from Levina actually help with menstrual cramps? Bottom line, I have found that it absolutely does. I think it feels really good and it gives me instant relief. Now, I have lower back cramps more than I have cramping in the front, and I tried it in both locations and I found it to be very effective. This is such an easy to use unit. I love that there are no wires, no bulky set that you have to clip into your belt in order to make it work. There are magnets on the unit and it clips directly onto this butterfly shaped pad. It's a little bit sticky and I love that it does not move. And this goes directly on whatever area you're wanting to target. Once it's in place, you simply press the power button and it's easy to reach behind you too. And then you can press up or down to adjust the frequency. Now, I like mine pretty strong, so I love that I can feel for that plus button and just ramp it up to whatever level I want. I found that this fits really well and is not very noticeable under jeans, slacks, or of course, when I'm bloated and just wearing my stretchy pants around the house. This unit from Levina has been so helpful when Aunt Flo comes and sabotages my baby box. I definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.